Hello, paano po if magpapaklose na ng BIR? VA po ako and yung cash receipt journal lang po kasi yung may sulat sa akin. Tapos walang sulat yung general ledger, general journal, and cash disbursement. Okay lang po ba yon? In our experience po, para po sa mga clients namin na freelancer, virtual assistant, basta naka 8% income tax rate option, yung cash receipt journal lang din po or yung cash receipt book ang may sulat, natapos naman yung closure, wala naman naging problema. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at JA Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Kapag may question ka regarding freelancer BIR registration, freelancer BIR closure, or ITR filing, i-comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.